In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows in Asana using automation. If you've ever found yourself repeating the same actions in Asana, automation can take that work off your plate so you can focus on what matters. We'll walk through setting up a simple, reliable workflow that saves time, reduces manual effort, and keeps your projects moving. Start by logging into your Asana account on desktop. The automation tools are easiest to access and configure from the desktop interface. Once you're in, open the project where you want the workflow to live. Automations are tied to a specific project, so choose the one where you need the rules to run. In the top right corner of your project, click Customize. This opens the project's customization panel, where you'll find options for fields, forms, and, most importantly, rules. Scroll to the Rules section and click Add Rule. This is your entry point to automation. Here you can either pick a pre-built rule from Asana's recommendations, such as moving a task to a certain section when the due date approaches, or you can set up your own from scratch. Pre-built rules are great if you want something fast and common. If your process is unique or you want full control, create a custom rule. To do that, click Create Rule or use AI Studio if it's enabled for your workspace. AI Studio can help you describe the behavior you want in plain language and generate a starting rule which you can then review and refine. Either way, you'll configure three parts: when, check if, and do this. When is your trigger? The moment that starts the automation, like when a task is added to the project. Check if is optional and lets you narrow the scope. For example, only running the rule if the task already has an assignee or a certain custom field value. Do. This is the action Asana performs, such as assigning the task to a teammate, moving it to a specific section, or updating a field. Keep your conditions clear and your actions focused to avoid conflicts with other rules. When everything looks good, click Publish to activate the rule. From this point on, Asana will watch for your trigger and apply the action whenever the conditions are met. Finally, test your workflow by adding or updating a few tasks that match your criteria. You should see the automation kick in right away. If it doesn't behave as expected, revisit the rule and adjust the trigger or conditions until it aligns with your process. You've successfully built a workflow in Asana, using automation to streamline your project management. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.